Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to set the gestures navigation on this device. So as you can see, I have already set the gestures. I do not have any buttons at the bottom of the screen. I've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. So if you want to switch the buttons to the gestures, all you have to do is to enter the settings. So let's tap on them and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the gestures. They should be on the second position, and here we've got the system navigation. As you can see, we've got two different options, the 3 button and the gestures. So basically all you have to do in order to set the gestures is to simply tap on this option at the top. A quick disclaimer: if you want to leave the 3 button navigation applied, here you can customize it after tapping on this on the settings icon. You will be transferred to possible options. Unfortunately, it is only one, but that's okay. If you want to, you can customize it. After tapping on the gesture navigation, as I said, this line will appear. What is more, here you've got the animation of how to use the gesture, so you can learn from it or simply wait, because I will explain everything. We can also customize it. Just tap on this settings icon again, and basically we've got two different options. So the digital assistant, you can decide whether you want to swipe to invoke the assistant or not, just by using the switcher. And here we've got the back sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because you will be able to decide whether you need it to be higher or lower. It basically means that this blue area, which is responsible for catching your gestures, will be bigger or smaller. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the left to the center or from the right to the center. It works the same. As you can see, we will have this arrow, and after releasing, we will go back. The same situation from the left side. And if you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a quick and a short motion, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page. And in order to open the recents, simply repeat the gesture, but this time it should be longer. Hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, after releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.